Hey guys, what is this thing? Anybody have a guess? It's not a cucumber. There's the leaf. They showed up amongst my yam vines. The yams have died back, and I'm finding these freaky things. I mean, it kind of reminds me of milkweed vine from Florida, but there's another one. What is it? And the big question is, can I eat it? Somebody give me an idea. I would love to know. Of course, by the time I post this video, I may have found it online already, but yeah, throwing it out there for you guys. You should enjoy figuring out what in the world this thing is. Let me know in the comments.